Is Cheeseburger Samosa. Holy cow.
Gherkins in it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. Yes, that's right, I'm back on the lockdown kitchen table. We're not back there yet, but we could be. Now, I don't think I've ever seen so many samosas in my life. Check these out. I've got bags and bags of them. Big Mum's samosas. Have sent us this to my office today. Come and have a little look around here. I've got boxes with the little sauce pots. Got apple pie, chili paneer, the cheeseburger. Oh my God, looking forward to that one. I've got chicken tikka and the original veg. Now, I love samosas. Who doesn't? But these guys are making a massive scene online, making big noise. We've got a delivery. I want to try it all. Let's go. We cooked them all for 8 minutes, Jess?
Yeah, about that.
So I've got them all on my chopping board. And let's just dive in and give them all a go. Now, what do you think this one is, Jess? I can't remember. Do you know?
I think that's the Chilli Paneer.
Let's find out. That's the cheeseburger. Here we go.
Cheeseburger sauce.
Cheeseburger sauce. Come and have a look at this then. So, here is a cheeseburger samosa. Holy cow.
Gherkins in it.
It's a cheeseburger, my love.
Brent.
Here we go. Cheeseburger. I'm assuming this is like some kind of burger sauce.
Oh, that's a lot of sauce.
Is it? Here we go. Bottoms up. Oh my God. Straight up. It tastes like a cheeseburger. It really does. Look, I've got like a American style cheese in there. My mince, gherkins, burger sauce, all cooked in the most wonderful, crunchy little samosa. Holy smokes. First thing I'll comment on is the quality. Never had a samosa like that before. Talk about bringing samosas forward. Guys, if you like samosas, get in the comments. This is a family-run business. They've sent these out to us. These are the guys I believe we should always support him. This is not a paid review. They sent them to us. This is what it's all about, uncovering these people. Wow. What's this one, Jess?
Chilli Paneer. I'm going to say Chilli Paneer for all of them.
If you say chili paneer to them all, you're going to get one right. Even a broken clock is right twice a day. Okay, here we go. The big reveal. Yeah.
Did I get it right?
Chili paneer. Please have the sauce.
Oh.
How delicious does that look, by the way? Oh my God. Oh my God, I have to. What the sauce is this then? Does it say what sauce we've got in there?
Oh God. Big Mum's popular Asian twist. The Chilli Paneer is stuffed with assortments of cheeses, pleasantly blended with a mix of onions and peppers, tossed in a sweet and spicy sauce.
Here we go. Come on then. Come close. Look at that paneer cheese. Oh my. This is samosa pornography. I never thought I'd say that. Paneer. Chili paneer. Incredible. I love paneer cheese. Texture is incredible. It's great. This then follows up that texture with a fiery undercurrent. It's like a little tickle underneath of flames. Chili. peppers, the sauce. Let's crack another one open so you can see inside it. Look at this. Look at that. Whoa. Yet again, it's got a really nice flavour to it. Got a great crunch. I mean, sorry, I'm talking about the actual samosa. The samosas I've had typically in the past have been a bit grease heavy. These don't feel like they're greasy at all.
Pastry.
Is that right? Yeah, the pastry. Cat watch is really annoying Jess at the moment. Willow, please. We're filming. Do you want to go to the animal shelter, Willow?
Hey.
All right. That's the veg one. We'll keep that till last. What's this one?
That's a cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger, I've done that. Chicken tikka. I believe this to be the chicken tikka. Please may I have my tikka sauce. Yeah, and it is. Man knows his, what is this then, Jessica?
Okay, so this is a classic with its own identity. The chicken tikka gathers shredded chicken marinated in spices.
Come and look at this. Go on, keep reading.
And coated with masala sauce, just how Big Mum likes it.
Big Mum, bless up to you. So, Big Mum samosas, here we go. Wow!
Hang on. Yeah.
You see that chicken tikka? Oh, it's like a volcano of tikka. Best by mile. Chicken tikka. This sauce? What is this sauce? I don't know what the sauce is.
It's a masala sauce, tikka masala sauce.
I mean, it is green. Okay, cool. Anyway. This is... Oh, Jesus Christ, look at that. Who likes samosas out there, guys? Get in the comments. Please, tag someone you know in this video now that would love a samosa. This is foodie heaven. Wow. Okay. Time to regain composure. I've got the original veg here. Is that the same sauce? I think it is. I'm not going to get quite so excited about the original veg.
You don't know what it's going to be like.
It's going to have veg in it, but... Okay, that looks good. Look at those thinly sliced... Cat watch. Delicate pieces of potato. Yeah, you see that? Mm-hmm. Willow, please. Look how crispy that is down there. Oh my God. The original veg bangs. That might even be my favourite. Do you know what? Guys, how many, on that bit of paper did it say they make a day?
10,000. Is it a day or a week?
I don't know. Whatever they're making at the moment, it's not enough.
It's a day. I think it's a day.
You have to make all these by hand?
Yeah,
Assuming so, yeah?
They make the pastry at 5 a.m, they said. Every day.
These are, to put it bluntly, remarkable. We've had many products sent in to us, notably the Yorkshire Pudding Pie Company. That was a bit of a landmark review for us with people wanting to get involved with such a unique product. This is an old, when I say old, tens of hundreds of thousands of years old probably. It's probably not, I made that up. It's a, excuse me, drink watch, it's required. It's a classic, it's a staple. And I feel like they've, drink watch by the way, it's ting. Where'd you get this from?
Tesco.
Tesco's, how much?
37p.
Stop, say that again. 37p?
Yeah, per can.
37p per can. Wow. Any youngsters out there who want a little side hustle, go and buy this and sell it for £1. Instant markup. I think they've really moved the game on with this. Not only is it as a product fantastic, you've got a cheeseburger one, you've got the paneer one. There's probably I don't know. These taste incredible. And they've nailed the product, haven't they? Look at it. Wow. I've got one more to taste. Probably the one that I'm most excited about. That veg one. Jesus. And that is these bad boys in the middle. These are a dessert apple pie samosa. Now this says local apples, cinnamon, I love apple pie. I love apple crumble. I love anything apple and cinnamon related. And it looks like I've got a pot of custard. Do you remember look at it?
Oh, wow.
It looks like I've actually been given a pot of custard. I'm just going to dive into this to start with. That's amazing. That tastes like apple pie with the sugar in this has got into the, can you see it's gone a bit darker and a bit different in texture? A bit more caramelised. That's genuinely custard, look at that. Big Mum. Big Mama?
Mums.
Big Mum's samosas. I'd like to meet Big Mum's. That sounds weird.
Just Mum?
Big Mum. I want to meet Big Mum's. She knows what she's doing, and the team who are making these, I'm assuming they're kicking this forward.
I think it's like the third generation.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Is it really? Wow. The apple pie samosa is breathtaking. The original was probably my favourite, to be fair. It was light, it was delicate, soft interior to this hard, crispy coating. It's a textural delight on the tongue. And all of them had amazing flavours in their own right. What for samosas? How can you get better than this? Sticky. It's delicious. My cat is really annoying me right now.
Willow.
You're about to see a cat samosa.
Hey.
Just stop. I think, look, I've got to give this a score. Lockdown style, on the chopping board, in the house, locked away from the public, no distractions. I want to give this, it's easy to fall in love with the product, maybe get carried away sometimes. One thing I haven't mentioned is cost. Do we know?
I think for these boxes, I think there's something from like eight to £15.
What, for a whole box?
I think so, yeah.
That's good. That seems like really good value.
I think, yeah, they're not dear.
Great. Wouldn't care if they were. They're probably handmade by a local business trying to push samosas forward. Amen to that. Okay, let's wrap this up and give them a score. I'm thinking this has got to be up towards the high 8s, low 9s, around there. Let's meet in the middle and give them a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 with a flying gold star. That original. If you're watching this now and want to buy a set, the original. I'm going to turn into a samosa here. It's the one. I don't know where they deliver.
I think they're London-based.
London-based, but if I were them, I'd start getting these out all over the country because they are that good. Right. Thanks for watching, everyone. Big Mum's Samosas. Thank you for dropping these off. That was truly a pleasure. This has been Food Review Club. I'm your host, Matt. Keep sending in your stuff. We'd love to feature it on our page. Hashtag FRC family. Remember, if you're watching on YouTube, please give us a big thumbs up. If you're watching on Facebook, give us a share. Let's spread the love, spread the foodie love, And yeah, let's go. Thanks for watching. And that was a review. Cheers, everyone.